Welcome to the Financial Abundance Show. My name is Kenneth, and today we shall discuss the automation of personal finance and cash flow. You know, there's this massive misconception in the world of personal finance. For decades, we've been told that to be good with money, you have to be intimately, painfully close to every single transaction. And for a long time, I believed that. Let me paint you a picture. A few years ago, I was obsessed with tracking my finances. I had this absolute monster of an Excel spreadsheet. I'm talking multiple tabs, complex macros, pivot tables, the whole 9 yards. Every Sunday night, while normal people were relaxing or getting ready for the week ahead, I was sitting at my computer, downloading CSV files from 4 different bank accounts, copying and pasting data, and trying to figure out why my dining out category was off by $14.32. I would literally spend hours manually entering data. And here's the worst part. The moment I finished, it was already outdated. By Monday morning, a subscription would hit, I'd fill up my gas tank, grab lunch, and suddenly all that effort was obsolete. I wasn't managing my money, I was chasing it, constantly living in the past instead of planning for the future. And don't even get me started on the broken formulas. One wrong keystroke, one accidental deletion, my entire net worth calculation would break. I was a slave to the spreadsheet. And that's when it hit me. This entire system is broken. Now here's where things get interesting. I recently read Fidelity's 2026 economic outlook, and one of the most powerful themes they highlighted was the rapid rise of AI-driven financial systems, not as a gimmick, but as a fundamental shift in how we interact with money. We're moving from reactive finance into predictive automated finance. Past apps told you what happened. Helpful, but too late. We are moving from the era of manual tracking into the era of absolute automation. The new wave of financial tools is utilizing predictive budgeting and behavioral spending analysis. Imagine an ecosystem where your money is self-driving, your paycheck hits. Immediately, your AI CFO analyzes your upcoming fixed costs. It knows exactly what you owe and when you owe it. Then, it analyzes your behavior. It knows that historically, in the 3rd week of the month, you tend to spend a bit more. It anticipates that crunch. This is the power of automated sweeps. It removes the greatest bottleneck in wealth building, human psychology. We are our own worst enemies when it comes to money. If we see a surplus in our checking account, our lifestyle naturally inflates to consume it. Parkinson's law states that work expands to fill the time allotted to it. Well, in finance, expenses expand to consume the cash available. By automating the sweep, by having an algorithm pull that money into investments before you even realize you have it, you are forcing financial abundance without the psychological friction of parting with your cash. And this isn't just about saving money. It's about optimizing debt. Imagine an AI that tracks the variable interest rates on your credit cards and student loans, compares them against the yield of your investment accounts, and automatically directs your extra cash flow toward the highest interest debt first. It's mathematical perfection executed in milliseconds. This is the standard we should be striving for. You shouldn't have to spend your Sunday nights wrestling with a broken Excel formula like I did. Your time is your most valuable asset. The minutes and hours you spend manually balancing your budget are hours you could be spending learning a new skill, building a business, or actually enjoying the wealth you are creating. It's not just about looking at pretty charts of your past spending. It's about intuitive, forward-looking automation. The future of personal finance isn't a better spreadsheet. It's a completely invisible, highly intelligent layer of automation that treats your personal economy with the same rigor and precision as a Fortune 500 company. There are monthly subscription services like Monarch, but they are not intuitive. So, I challenge you today, look at your current financial stack. Where is the friction? Where are you spending time doing manual data entry that an algorithm could do in a fraction of a second? Automate your savings, automate your investments. Let the machines handle the tracking so you can focus on the abundance.
Thank you for tuning in to the deep dive on financial abundance. I'm Kenneth, and I'll see you in the next video.